Hi, I'm Todd Copeland, editor of the Baylor Line magazine, and we're here today in the Baylor Sciences building to take you behind the scenes for one of the feature stories in our upcoming summer 2010 issue. We'll be visiting with Dr. Kevin Penny, professor of chemistry, and Dr. Mary Lynn Trawick, associate professor of biochemistry, who are doing some cutting-edge research in the fight against cancer. So let's check things out. And I just wondered if you could explain a little bit about the nature of your research and what your hopes are for it.
Well, Dr. Penny's group has been interested in anti-cancer compounds that bind to a certain protein, tubulin, for a number of years. And this would involve the tubulin microtubule system. And through this research, they discovered a compound that was extremely potent, very active. And so we'd like to investigate that further and to see if we can really push it as quickly as possible into something that might be a therapeutic agent.
So I know Dr. Trawick and Dr. Penny, you have separate research groups and you conduct your own research, but on this particular project, like others before you're collaborating. And I wondered if you could talk a little bit about how that collaboration unfolds, working on or create a new compound.
Yeah, so I mean, it's a really important collaboration for us to be able to really go from the genesis of an idea in terms of a new molecular structure that we think might interact well with cancer cells, to actually then going through the synthetic process of coming up with a synthetic route to prepare the molecule, verify that we actually have what we think we have, and then to be able to work under the same roof with our excellent colleague Mary Lynn Trawick and her group in biochemistry and cell biology to really get a very quick initial look at how the molecule might interact with cancer cells.
Right.
And so that's a really great collaboration and really powerful part of the program because we can get some feedback very quickly.
And how important in all of your research are the various students that work in your labs?
Well, I mean, they're the lifeline of the whole thing. We rely tremendously on our postdocs, graduate students, undergraduate researchers to not only take ideas that we might come up with and actually bring them to something tangible, but also to come up with new ideas and to sort of fuel new directions for the research. So they are the team and the foundation for what we're doing.